Video to oy.
Hi.
Hey guys, it's me again, Kathy, your Ilocana Ilongga Bisaya gal. Welcome back to my channel, and for today's video, I am going to meet up with a friend of mine. She's one of my closest friends here in Las Vegas. Her name is Yvonne, and magdi-dinner daw kami. And at the same time, sabi ni Yvonne, meron daw siyang friend na nandito ngayon galing sa Pinas. So we're gonna meet her as well, and this is kind of like a welcome dinner for her. So let's meet her friend, let's meet Yvonne, and then let's have dinner together. So stay tuned. So I'm with AJ Ethan. Say hi, Ethan. Who do you want to say hi? Yeah, hi to, who do you want to say hi? To your mommy and daddy? Who's here right now?
I want to say hi, Ryan.
Oh.
Maybe I'll say hi back.
Yeah, we are here meeting a friend of a friend that's here now in Las Vegas. She's from Pinas, di ba?
Pinas? Yep.
From Pinas. These are my friends, Yvonne and Robert.
Hi, friends.
Hi, friends. Shout out daw si kamukha ni Mrs. Sarabas.
Ako ba yun? Ako ba yung kamukha ni Sarah? Hindi ako to.
We're waiting for our friend. And yeah, we're gonna have Korean barbecue. Yan, Captain 6 right there. Ano ba ang what's the equivalent for this one in the Philippines? What do they call this?
Korean? I don't know.
Yun ba yun? Samgyupsal o ganon. So we're gonna grill our own meats here. Yan. So we're waiting. Wala pa nga eh. Katinatics. Mga Bisayang Ilocana. Enjoy.
You gotta say hi. You say hi
He's
to
waiting
Ryan.
for one of the graphics things to.
Oh, like the emo whatever. The
He does all
emo.
those, so when you open your mouth really big, they,
Yeah.
yeah, they do the things.
Nothing. We got nothing. Vlog ako eh. Alright guys, so one of our visitors is already here. Her name is Apple. A friend na. So she's from the Philippines. Rating niya lang dito since April, right?
Yeah.
A month ago, April 9. So, ayan Apple, mag-shoutout ka. Di pa post ko ito. Sino kailangan mong i-shoutout sa Pinas?
Wala naman. Yung anak ko.
Oh.
Yung anak ko. Hi.
Shy type pa si Apple, but later masasanay din yan sa akin. Yeah, so we're waiting for my boyfriend to come here, and then actually we already ordered. So ayan na. Kami gutom na, so unahan na natin guys. Kain tayo, mga unta, mga tayot. So yan po in order nila.
How am I gonna reach the meat all the way over there?
Right now. I gotta wait.
Ano yan, Iboners?
This is. What are you?
Introduce yourself.
It's a ribeyes, 2 ribeyes, and a tomahawk, I think. Steak.
Yes.
Steak, guys.
It's cake.
With an accent.
How about you, Ethan? What do you have?
What is this?
Rice. He's having rice. Tapos ito yung order ko guys, nag-iisang octopus. Isa lang talaga binigay. For order pala yan. Ayan.
Yeah, they give you a Christmas tree.
So ito po ang aking magulong vlog.
Raw blood. It's a raw blood.
Kain tayo.
The bone for this one.
Kumusta ang buhay? How's life, Robert? Good. Look at soup. This is soup.
Yeah, kimchi soup.
do that.
Hi, we're done. Sinong nabusog? Ah, sabi. Video to, oy.
May trivia regarding kay Kat. Si Kat nga pala, friend ko to for a long time. May baga siraulo yan. Kailangan
Hindi nila alam
comment
yun.
down below if you want her to sing a song for you.
Nako, patay na.
Any song,
Any-
sky's the limit. Regine Velasquez, she can do it. She can do it.
Ay,
Kasi bye!
Okay, bye-bye. Sige, picture na. Alright, so I am home. Hindi ako makahinga sa sobrang busog, guys. Talagang iba yung busog. And at the same time, para akong nagpapalpitate. Kasi puro karne yung kinain namin kanina. Ito na ba ang tinatawag nilang hypertension? Hindi ko alam. Pero, talagang hanggang leeg yung busog ko talaga. And while I was driving home, with the seatbelt on, tapos nakaupo, talagang sobrang hirap huminga. So, busog na busog ako. Thank you so much, Yvonne, for the treat. And it was nice meeting you, Apple. Welcome to Las Vegas. Welcome to the States. And sana we can have a get-together again sometime soon. So, that's it, guys. Wow. So, that's it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. And please don't forget to hit that bell button para naman notified kayo sa mga bago kong ina-upload na mga vlogs. Again, thank you so much po sa lahat ng patuloy na nagsusubaybay at nanonood ng mga videos natin. Again, this has been Kathy, your Ilocana, Ilongga, Bisaya gal, always saying, don't let anyone turn you away from your purpose and always live life for what it's worth. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!